students, today we are going to learn how to make a full spiral square using Python's turtle module. A spiral pattern is a captivating visual phenomenon that occurs when shapes or lines progressively increase in size while rotating around a central point. Imagine a sequence of squares that increase in size, forming a visually appealing spiral effect. This pattern emerges by iteratively drawing squares while rotating the turtle. So today we are going to create this spiral square pattern using turtle. So first we need to set up the turtle screen and the turtle. Let's go to the coding part. We'll first import the turtle. Next we need to set up the turtle. Screen and screen. Let's change the screen color. Yellow. Next, we need to create the turtle. Name the turtle as spiral square. This is the function to create the turtle. Now, we need to set up the speed of this turtle. Speed to 1. Next, we change the color of this turtle to green. Execute program. Now our yellow color screen and green color turtle is created. Next, we need to draw the squares. So, now comes the fun part. We will use a special set of instructions, a function, to make turtle draw squares of increasing size, making them look like a spiral. A function is like a set of instructions that we can use again and again. So in this uh, video, we are going to use the spiral square function. First, we will define the square function with a size. This function takes a single parameter size which represents the side length of the square to be drawn. It draws a square by moving the turtle forward by size units and then turning it left 90 degrees. Repeating this process for 4 times. After drawing the first square, we'll increase the size by a fixed amount. Example, we'll take it as 5. This increment ensures that each subsequent square is slightly larger than the previous one. The loop within the square function ensures that each square is drawn with all 4 sides, creating the square shape. Let's go to the bottom part. Define the function. Size. We need to draw the square, so the turtle needs to move forward and turn 90 degrees to the right, and we need to repeat this four times. So we use the forward. So I in range of 4 circle to move forward, length of the side. So name it as size. Next, we need to move this right 90 degrees. Next, increase the size by 5. Now we define the function. Next, we need to call this function as square function of size. Call this function. We say assume the size as 8. Next, underscore. So this one square is completed because we call the function for one time only. So if we want to repeat this, we need to call the function again. We call this for 50. Now we run the code. Yes. Now the total over second square. So we need to repeat this until it makes a spiral pattern. So we repeat the step by increasing the size of the square. Now we run the code. The total remove the spiral square factor. As you can see, repeating this loop for different size values results in a series of interconnected squares. The square function combines loops, rotations, and size and increments to create the spiral square pattern. The sequence of squares of increasing size along with rotations forms the mesmerizing spiral effect. Let's change the speed. Speed is increased. Now you can customize this code by changing the color of the background, changing the color of the turtle, changing the speed, and changing the function values and even the shape of the pattern. So finally we need to finish the code using turtle dot done. Finish the code using turtle dot done.